Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So today I sold on a Samsung EcoBubble washing machine, the F500 one, and I got this washing machine back, so I did. It's an LG inverter direct drive, 8 kilo F1281TD5, 6 motion. Quite interesting. This one is a 2011 model, so it is October 2011, made in China. I thought it was like 2015 or something, but yeah, there we are. So basically, with this washing machine, it seems that the power board here has failed for it. So it has. If I plug it in for you really quickly, I have gloves on because I'm gonna start working on it. If I plug it in, you can see the washing machine's not turning on, so it's not. But it's quite weird because if I turn the drum, okay. I definitely think it's that power board that's gone wrong then. So I do, that's quite interesting. Before it wasn't turning on at all, so it wasn't. But now it obviously is. Okay. There we are. I'm just gonna quickly take this glove off. Actually, no, I'm not, because I'm gonna show you the inside of the washing machine. I don't really know what wash they've been using, but the machine is like, I think this is probably the worst condition machine I've got. It's a recirculation model, and like, look at all the mold up with the jet. Of course this happens, so it does. The owners who had this machine, I think they use tablets, so they do, and things like that, and cold, you know, like colder washes such as like only 40 and stuff. Oh, I've messed this up a bit, I think. It can cause it to be like this. Inverter module is stuck on. I'm wondering if that wee power board there maybe powers the motor too, because it wasn't like that, so it wasn't. But yeah, I think it's that wee board there that's gone wrong with it. Like if I peel this door seal back, you can see what I mean. It's absolutely minging. So it is. Look at that. But I'm surprised, like the drum, the spider, the bearings and stuff, they seem to be fine. So they are, which is, you know, a plus. Alright, I'm gonna take this glove off. Sorry, but yeah, so this is my next project. So it is. Can I get it to do a spin? Oh, I think I have to turn it off, don't I? It's one of them ones, isn't it? So yeah, if I open the drawer's like that. So it is. So yeah, with the refurbishment process, I'm gonna take everything, you know, like the drawer and stuff, that will all be like all washed, all cleaned. This has like a really nice service access panel, so it does. I haven't worked out how to get it off just yet. I presume it's really just a case where I put a flathead screwdriver in between there and it just comes off. And yeah, and then underneath there I'll have access to like my pump and stuff, and we can get that all cleaned up. I suppose I can like show you inside the washing machine. It says like 2011 everywhere. So it does, like on the tub. There, maybe you can see it. Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely done well. I think they maybe got this second hand from somewhere. So I do. But the problem, their house electrics seem to be a bit dodgy. So they do. I put in the Samsung today, so I did, and it was dinging and stuff whenever it wasn't meant to. So it was their kitchen lights were flickering. They had a dishwasher. They have a dishwasher, so they do a Beko one, and the Beko one turned on by itself whenever the dial was at off. So yeah, like something was definitely not right there. But the Samsung is being used, so it is. So I'm like stressing out a wee bit here. I'm worrying that the Samsung's PCB might go. I really don't want that to happen. you know, because of the electrics, it seems to be something to do with like a ground surge or something like that. Very scary stuff. Okay, I don't have anything. Let me see if I turn it off. Spin. I'll put it on like a 400 spin. Where's my hose? My hose is in that. Let's just see if it does anything. Or if it just gets stuck. It's doing something. But yeah, it definitely must be that power board there. So it must be. If that means I can use it a bit, get it a bit cleaned up, then you know, I'm not complaining. So I'm not. Seems to work like a Samsung does, where it does a root detection at the start of the spin. I haven't leveled it yet, so it is shaking. I think what it's on, just because it is in such a state, I'm going to try and get a drum clean out of it. It absolutely stinks. So it does, you can really smell it. Didn't realise that this was instant unlock. Didn't think it would have been. But yeah, there we are. So yes, while this is working, I'm gonna quickly get this on a Drum Queen, so I am. Let's see. Right, so yeah, it's turning on fine now, okay. How long is Tub Clean? Sometime. Okay, right. I suppose I'll see you quite soon then again. But, well, hopefully. Depending on what time I upload this at. But yeah, there we are. I think this will be a fun one to work on.